Hello, friends. How are you? Your mind wasn't born weak. It was trained to be. Trained to crave comfort, to scroll endlessly, to fear silence. You didn't lose control overnight. You surrendered it. One small choice at a time. Every late night scroll. Every "I'll start tomorrow." Every distraction you called a break was a brick. And those bricks built your chaos. You built your own prison. Now it's time to rebuild your mind. Number 1, the hidden enemy. Your enemy isn't outside. It's not your job, not your parents, not your past. It's the invisible comfort loop that keeps you busy but never fulfilled. Science calls it the dopamine reward system. Every like, every ping, every scroll gives you a quick hit, a fake sense of progress. But when your brain gets addicted to instant pleasure, long-term growth starts to feel painful. That's why reading feels boring. That's why building something meaningful feels heavy, because your mind is now wired for easy. And easy kills you slowly. Number 2, the collapse of focus. You're not lazy. You're overstimulated. Your brain is like a cracked mirror, reflecting noise instead of clarity. Notifications, reels, ads, opinions, all fighting for your attention. The result? Your focus dies. And when focus dies, identity fades with it. You forget what you were supposed to become. You forget what truly mattered. And you start existing instead of living. That's how modern chaos is built. Not through war, but through distraction. Number 3, the turning point. But the mind is like muscle. Broken, yes, but rebuildable. And it doesn't take motivation. It takes structure. Neuroscience says your brain rewires itself through repetition and environment. That means every time you choose discomfort, you build strength. Every time you delay pleasure, you build control. It's not magic. It's biology. You've been conditioning yourself to stay weak. Now it's time to condition yourself to rise. Number 4, the 3 pillars of rebuilding. Point 1, silence the noise. Your mind can't rebuild in chaos. You need stillness, digital and mental. Spend 1 hour a day without music, without your phone, without noise. In that silence, your brain detoxes. At first, it will feel unbearable. Then it will feel peaceful. Then it will feel powerful. That's when clarity returns. Point 2, master the micro habits. Stop chasing massive goals. Start building small, repeatable actions. Wake up at the same time. Read 2 pages a day. Do 10 push-ups. Write 1 line about your day. Your brain doesn't understand goals. It understands patterns. And patterns become identity. You don't need to feel ready. You need to repeat until it becomes who you are. Point 3, redefine your pain. You can't rebuild your mind if you keep running from discomfort. Pain is not your enemy. It's your compass. It shows you where you've stopped growing. If it hurts to wake up early, do it. If it hurts to speak your truth, say it. If it hurts to be alone, stay until it doesn't. That's where rebirth begins. Number 5, the realization. The world doesn't need another motivated person. It needs someone mentally bulletproof. Someone who doesn't break when comfort calls. Rebuilding your mind isn't about becoming perfect. It's about remembering who you were before the noise took over, before the algorithm told you what to want, before comfort made you forget your purpose. This isn't self-improvement. It's self-reclamation. Number 6, the comeback. The moment you decide to rebuild, you'll feel lost. You'll crave old habits, old comfort, old peace. But that's the test. That's your rebirth. You built your own chaos. And now you're building your comeback. 1 choice, 1 habit, 1 silent victory at a time. Because your mind isn't gone. It's just waiting for you to take it back. If this hit your soul, don't just scroll. Rebuild before it's too late.